Chapter 7. File Management. Organization of Folders. Dear children, in your previous class, you have learnt about files and folders. You already know that anything saved in the computer gets stored in the form of a file. A file is a document that contains a collection of related information. Basically, it is used to store the data. The file in a computer can be a text document, spreadsheet, images, video, or music. Different files are represented by icons because it is easier to recognize a type of files by looking at its icon. Here are some: JPG, PPT, MP3, Word, Excel, Access. A folder is a container where the files can be stored. A folder can also store other folders. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. A folder is represented by a folder icon. Here are some common folder icons: folder icon, subfolder icon, zip folder icon, briefcase icon. File Explorer. File Explorer is a very important file managing applications. By clicking on File Explorer, you can explore your files and folders on the computer. File Management. It is very important to know about managing the files and folders in computer. Just as it is important to manage and organize a study table, wardrobe, library, etc. It helps to explore, search, open, save and delete file or folder. Creating a new folder. It is very important to know about creating a folder to save files in it. After creating the folder, we can give a name to it. To create a new folder, follow the given steps. Click the mouse in the blank area on the desktop. A menu appears. Click on New. Click on Folder. An icon for the new folder appears on the desktop. Type the name you want to keep for the new folder. Press Enter key on the keyboard. Remember, double-click the folder icon to open it and see what is inside. Renaming a file or a folder. Rename means changing the name of the file folder. Follow the given steps. Right-click on the file or folder you want to rename. Click Rename option from the pop-up menu. Type the new name in the highlighted area. Press Enter key on the keyboard. You can use F2 function key also to rename a file or a folder. Deleting a file or a folder. When you no longer need a file or folder, you can remove it from your computer's hard disk to save space. The steps to delete an unwanted file or folder are: right-click on the file or folder that you want to delete and choose the Delete option from the pop-up menu. Delete File dialog box appears asking for your confirmation. To delete the file or folder, click on Yes button. The deleted file or folder goes to the recycle bin. Remember, shortcut keys to delete a file is Ctrl+D. Recap Zone. A file is a document that contains a collection of related information. A folder is a container where the files can be stored. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. F2 function key can be used to rename a file or a folder. The deleted file or folder goes to the recycle bin.